not hot enough for me. I gotta... Oh yeah. Woo! Ask and you shall receive. A lot of booze in there. Try it out.
Bueno, sí. Camina.
Morning, fatties. Alright, we're leaving Mexico City and we're taking a bus to San Miguel de Allende. So look at this high-class bus, man. This is awesome. There's Kara.
Fold this down. You got like a little recliner.
We live in the lap of luxury. This is amazing.
What you gonna do when they come for you?
Hey, we just got into San Miguel de Allende. Just checked into our lovely AirBNB. So let's show you around. Nice and clean. Nice bed. Big old window. This is what you're paying for right here. Look at this view. Man, oh man, oh man. The patio. Right here on the corner. Amazing. And we just have an amazing view of downtown there. There's the big church. Right there. And there's the old town. I would say Altstadt, but I'm not in Germany anymore, am I? Let's show you the bathtub. Look at this lavender. Oh yeah. What an amazing bathtub. And the world's smallest bar of soap, but that's okay. Nice. Got the bidet for extra cleaning. What's up? What's up?
Just wait for somebody to let you cross. Go, honey.
Dreams are gonna come true. That's pretty. Gracias.
Sí, a usted, gracias.
Gracias. Is it delicious?
Yes.
My strut.
lights go down in the city. Doopy boopy, I don't know the rest of the words. What? And there's a lake where the Aztecs would take a swim. I don't know that, but maybe. Kara says the toilet paper is scented. That's good to know, honey. I like scented toilet paper. God knows I need it. Finishing up the walking tour. And there's walking involved.
Not a lot.
And a embarrassing toilet transaction.
Not by me. It's all you.
Bring wipes.
That was that oysters you drank.
Yeah. Woo! Ask and you shall receive.
It's probably what messed it
You
up.
gotta bring the wipes, man.
Oh, he's purring.
He's a good boy.
He's purring. Good boy. Oh, sweet kitty. He's a sweet kitty. No, hit me more.
Hola, amigos. Do you like wineries? Do you like wineries with big ass cactuses in front? Well, this is your place. Some baby vines. Viñedos los Buhos. And I'm totally screwing that up. We came here for the tasting. Tractor sexy?
No, and why is he wearing a hoodie? It's like 85 degrees out
Yeah. Estado. Corpo bien. Un calor. No. Bueno.
Gorgeous.
Look,
That's beautiful, huh?
it looks like it's out of a movie.
Wow.
Look all around you.
I know, this is amazing. Taco truck, score. Beautiful buildings, score. ATM, not bad. But look at that. And the moon. The moon was over the church. So nice. Let's go listen to the music. The music is so good, you will lose all of your pesos. He's got to get to his mariachi band. He's gonna be late. And then a green taxi comes by. That's so typical.